This video walkthrough will explain how to link your SV gallery created in SV Manager to your CMS website. The linking between SV Manager and CMS is a two-step process. First, we need to set up a global content block for the gallery to be housed in, and then we can place that global content block on a page so that it can be viewed. So the first step is setting up the global content block. To do that, we'll go to Content and then Global Content Blocks. You'll see here an option for Add a Global Content Block at the bottom left of the menu of content blocks. If we click on that option, it takes us through to where we can set a new content block up. In here we need to give the content block a name. You need to turn off the WYSIWYG editor to make sure that you can get this code to accept properly, so we'll untick that box. And then under content, you'll need to place the following piece of code. Now, I have attached the code directly beneath the video here, so if you need to get that, you should be able to get that from this article. Now you'll see that what's gone in there at the moment is just a generic piece of code. There is one change that we need to make to this so that it will pick up your SV gallery. You'll notice the section where it says iframe source equals and then has a file path. You need to replace everything between those quotation marks with the information that's in your path from web root in SV Manager. So if we have a look at SV Manager again, we'll flick back over there. If we go into the gallery that we're trying to add, you can see the path from web root field. Let's copy that text. If we go back to CMS again, we're going to replace that highlighted text in between the quotation marks there with the stuff that we just copied. You can see now there that that has replaced that. So it's reading that gallery that we have set up here in SV Manager. Once you've done that, you've given it a name, you've popped the code in and replaced the relevant section, click the Submit button, and it will take you back into your global content block list. You can see here now that we have the SV Gallery global content block. A little bit over from that, you'll see under the tag to use this block's heading, there's a bit of code there. We just need to select and highlight that and then copy it. So that's the first part of the process done. That's the global content block has now been set up. Now we just need to place that global content block on a page. To do so, we'll go to Content and then Pages. I'm going to place this on the home page, but look, you can place it really anywhere that you wish. So let's go into our home page now. It's just a matter of choosing the page that you wish to edit and clicking into it. Now, adding the gallery from here is as simple as pasting in that piece of text that we just copied. So pasting in that tag to use this global content block. That is all we need to do in here, because the global content block is already created. It is housing the gallery. We just need to tell this page to go looking for that block. So that's done. We click the Save Changes button, and that is now done. Let's have a quick look at the home page on our demo site. There was nothing on there before, so we're just going to do a quick refresh. And there you are. Now you can see that it is loading up that gallery that we had created earlier in SV Manager. And that's how you go about linking your galleries together.